Here we are again. What's for dinner? I took out a 2.5-pound pack of split, boneless, skinless chicken breast. I am going to make an easy honey mustard glaze. I have some fresh cucumber. I'm going to do a quick cucumber salad and some crostini on the side that I purchased from the grocery store. Dinner is going to be quick and easy and oh so delicious. Here we go. So to start here, I'm working with 2.5 pounds of split, boneless, skinless chicken breast. They're not super thin, but they are thinner than a whole breast. Here I'm going to add 1.5 teaspoons of seasoned salt. I'm going to add 1 teaspoon of onion powder, 1 teaspoon of Italian seasoning mix blend, 1 teaspoon of garlic powder, and a 1/2 teaspoon of smoked paprika. You can season how you like, and you can switch up the ratios. So I'm going to use my clean hands and mix, combine, and coat the chicken well. Then I'm going to just set aside until I'm ready to use it. For the glaze, I'm going to be using 1/2 cup of coarse ground mustard. You definitely can use what you have. Sometimes I use Dijon mustard. So now I'm going to eyeball or guesstimate around 1/4 cup of honey. Now the ratios of the mustard and honey are up to your preference. Give it a taste, and if you want it sweeter, maybe add more honey. Here I'm adding 1 teaspoon of soy sauce. I'm going to give that a mix, and I'm going to follow up with a little sprinkling of all those spices that I added to the chicken. Here with the paprika, I'm going to add the onion powder, the Italian blend seasoning, garlic powder, and a little bit of that seasoned salt. Give it a mix, and this is ready. I've arranged all the chicken on a baking sheet that I've lined with parchment paper, and now I'm just going to take around 1 tablespoon to 1.5 tablespoons of this glaze and just coat the top. By the way, I made sure that it's completely thawed. I'm baking it at 425 degrees Fahrenheit for about 10 minutes or so. Now, cook time will always vary. If you're working with cold chicken, it may take longer. You'll want to make sure it's 165 degrees Fahrenheit in the thickest part of the chicken breast. So I'm going to let this rest for about 10 minutes, and I'm going to work on the cucumber salad. So I will be using around 5 mini cucumbers that I've peeled, partially peeled, and I'm just going to give them a rough chop. You can slice them, dice them, however you like. I'm also going to be adding a little bit of sliced red onion. That is to your preference. And once I slice it, I'm just sort of going to break it apart and chop it. Now I'm going to add 1 large tomato. I'm going to remove the seeds and the center and just give it a rough chop. Once everything is chopped and into my bowl, I'm going to add 1/4 cup to 1/3 cup of my favorite Italian dressing. I'm going to add some black pepper, give it a mix, and this is done. And actually, so is dinner. Time to serve. I love it when a quick and simple dinner comes together just like this. I hope you give this recipe a try. I hope you like it, and thanks for watching.